Hey everyone, it's Mark Diaz, and I wanted to jump on and do a quick video for y'all to talk about the importance of hiring an attorney if you've been charged with driving while intoxicated here in Galveston County. Once you've been charged with driving while intoxicated, there are certain deadlines that start coming into play, one of which is the deadline to file paperwork challenging the suspension of your license. When you hire my firm within the time frame to challenge it, we automatically challenge the suspension of your license. Obviously, everyone's driver's license is important to them. So the first thing we try to do is avoid the suspension of your license, and always make sure that during the pendency of your case, you do have a driver's license. You know, DWIs these days carry so much in fines and consequences that could affect your employment, your future employment, affects drivers that have commercial driver's licenses. There are so many impacts that can come from a DWI that it's important that you do seek legal counsel and seek it quickly. Here in Galveston County, many people, the first time you go to court, if you don't have a lawyer, the court will give you options. One of the options being to speak to the prosecutor yourself and see what they might be willing to offer you. And to do that, you have to sign a waiver waiving important rights, the biggest of which being that you're going to talk to the person who's trying to prosecute you. And so it's important that you don't go it alone, that you hire an attorney to take you through the process. As you've all seen, I'm sure, on TV, or if you've been charged, then you know that one of the things that the officers will do is ask you to perform a series of tests. They're called field sobriety tests. Here in the office, we have attorneys that have gone through the exact same training as police officers to be able to perform those tests and be certified to perform those tests. The reason for that is that when we view a DWI video, we're not only looking at how you did on the tests, but we're able to analyze whether or not the officer performing the tests did so correctly. And so it's important to hire an experienced lawyer in DWI cases so that you get the proper representation. And not only that, there may be negotiations with prosecutors, there may be negotiations to be able to reduce the charge to a non-DWI charge, something that won't affect your license, ultimately raise your insurance, all the problems that come with being charged with a DWI. So I really just wanted to do a quick little video to talk about the importance of hiring an attorney quickly once you've been charged with DWI, so that you can get all these things in motion and make sure that all your rights are protected and that you get every advantage you might be entitled to.